So, dire bukan ta ano, displacement which is delta. Yan. So, as you can see, bukan ko lang sa value ID displacement. So, tawagan natin yung wave system. Wave system. Yan. So, and then, ikas. Tapihon lang yung structure. Yan, tapihon. Yan. So, then, mabutan na point load which is 1. So, muna itawag na virtual work niya. Yan. So, muna ang kalihan sa so, muna ang resistance and muna ang virtual work. So, dili makuha ang dili makuha ang balik sa displacement and deflection. So, para masabda na ito kaning ating is mag-add ko sa sample. So, in this case, we have here a structure. So, kami siya naka-box. And we have hinge support and layer support. And we have a point load bubbles with 4 kN. And yung length is 4M and 3M. So, to solve this, first is solve sa nato ang if ano ba siya, hindi determinate ba siya or indeterminate na class. So, ano lang, B, ano yung formula? So, B is for the, B is for the bars plus R is for the number of reactions. And J. So J is for the joints structure. So bars, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bars plus. So yung support reaction is hinge is like 1. So we have. Paglabas ng so AX and AY. Also today is lang regular siya, so isa lang yung support reaction. AX. AX pa lang. So we have 1, 2, 3, so 3 na reaction. Then 2. Then naka-joints 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 joints. Then 1. So 6 plus 3, 8. 8 pa 9. Then 8 is, let's solve for the reactions niya. First is summation F pala na. So summation Fy equals 3 plus ang part positive. So we have here 24 down, so negative 24 and Ay equal to 0. So Ay is equals to 24 En. Then summation moment at A. Summation moment A equal to 0. Yan. So we have here so we have 24 meters minus Cx equal to 0. Cx is 4. Answer niya is 32 kN. Yan. Also, lahat tayo x component nga sa summation of x na. So, summation of x equals to 0. So, we have 32 kN minus Ax equals to 0. So Ax is 32 also kN. Yan. The next is redundant. So pwede tayo magpili kung redundant pwede ka sa AB, BD, DC, or CD ana. But for me is ang pilon is redundant DC. So redundant DC. So which means ang pipili ko DC, so ma-erase natin yung kaninang member. So ma-erase natin siya, ma-erase. So ang structure is mayroon na siya, ay di na siya mayroon indeterminate. So mayroon na siya indeterminate kay nag-redundant na to. So ang pipili ko DC. So ang kaning structure is mayroon na siya determinate na class. So next is ang Young compatibility equation. So formula yan is ang formula is delta plus F R is equals to 0, where delta is equals to summation of SQL over AE, and where F is equals to U times length niya over AE. So muna ang niya compatibility equation. So yeah. So next is let's determine ang members niya. So first, dali ko mag-join. Join C. So join C na. We have Sa joint data. Joint A. So, we have here 32 at kay 4. So, okay. Yan. So, summation of F Fy plus Fy equals 0 upward. Yan. So, we have 24. Ay, direct lang. Summation fx at summation fx equals to 0 plus. So we have negative 32. Ito man, so plus AB. So equals, ay napanin guys. So napanin natin. So assume na ko is ang yung potential diapole. So yung AB. First, is actually makita mo sa Fy. Summation Fy 0 plus upward. So 24 down 80. 3 over 5 equals 0. So 80 is 84 ED is 40 kN. So 40. And summation of fx at so negative 32 40 positive 4 over 5 equals to 0 plus AB 0. Negative guys. So AB is equals to 0. So, ang AB is 0 PN. So, 0 PN. Yan. Next is last, join D. So, join D na. Join D is 0 here. 24 PN. CD is CD. Wala. So BD is on Japon. Same sila sa AB. Zero. So, ngayon ka na papers niya. So, AC, 0, CP, KN, AB is 0 KN, AD is 40 KN, BD is 0 KN. So, next is data. So, ano yung virtual work niya? So, di ba, nag-redundant ka sa then, as you can see, this structure is symmetrical, so which is BC. Also, makita niyo ang AB. Sama siya. So, which is ang AB is also 1. So, again, 1 again, which is tension. And also kita sa join ka sa big join kita join kita BD minus 1 D over 5 is equal to 0. So BD is 1 times 0, so 0.6 EN, which is ang BD is compression, and then FX positive feeling, so additionally AB is AB minus 1 4 over 5 equal to 0, so which is AB is 0.8 yen, which is compression also. So as you can see, BD AC is symmetrical, so which means AC also is equal siya sa Japon 0.6. And AB also, AB and CD symmetrical, so same lang yung sa lesson. So CD is also 0.8 EN compression. 1 times 1 times 5 times 5. 5 Yan. So next is dito na sa iya formula sa atong compatibility equation. So ito delta plus F I also so delta summation of SU L over A. So ito sa ni summation na so plano ko ni summation niya. So we have 302.4 AE. And also for the F, summation of U UL over AE, which is summation natin ngayon. So summation natin 2.56 plus 1.08 plus 2.56 plus 1.08 plus 5 plus 5, which is 78.28. So 17.28 over 80. Then let's proceed sa formula niya sa kani. Delta niya is 302.4 over 8E plus F is 7.28 over 8E times lambda equals to 7. So which is R is equals to 17.5. Which also R is equals to redundant na sa iwan redundant